manufacturing has really been a focus for Frito-Lay since the 90s, and we really started out in focusing on resource conservation as a cost initiative to drive down our overall operational costs in energy and utilities. But it's now really become a focus on getting to zero. How do we have a zero impact on the environment from what we use from a natural resource standpoint? So how might we recycle and reuse 90% of all of our water? That's the real focus today. So it's moved from a focus on driving operational cost performance to doing the right thing for the environment, and also demonstrating that we can do it well before we have to go do it.
Stating a commitment to green manufacturing and sustainable production is one thing. Action is quite another. For a number of years now, the company has put in place resource conservation teams to help support its sustainability goals.
The purpose of the resource conservation teams at Frito-Lay are to look, listen, and monitor the usages for energy and utilities. Back in the mid to late 90s, our company was looking at what was going to be available, especially in water in the United States, natural gas, and looking out 10 to 15 years and what was going to happen in the United States. Some of those things that we took for granted in the late 80s and early 90s are becoming more scarce and less available. Because of that, in the mid to late 90s, we came up with resource conservation teams whose role is to go out again and look, listen, and feel. Find out where we're using them, how much we're using, to monitor that usage, and to bring the usage down to a reasonable control level.
Company goals include reducing electricity use by 45%, natural gas use by 50%, and water 75% per pounds of product by 2017 compared to original company baseline levels.
At REI, we believe an outdoor life is a life well lived. It's important to us that the products we sell reflect our values. Especially with the private label products we design and develop, we have the opportunity to integrate those values into our product and the supply chain behind it. With our recent launch of the Co-op product line, we demonstrated that we can create a great product while using materials produced without the use of toxic chemicals.
So when we first started concepting the REI Co-op brand, there was a few key things that we wanted to try to do to deliver a group of core outdoor performance essentials for our customers. The idea behind Co-op is to deliver those essential products everyone needs for outdoor adventures with incredible performance for price value.
The Co-op brand was our chance to integrate sustainable manufacturing from design through delivery. BlueSign is an input stream management system that ensures that no chemicals of concern are entering the production facility in the first place. For our Co-op branded product, we are committed to 100% BlueSign certified material by 2018.
We started with the basic styles, the down jacket and the down vest. We decided to offer the consumer a variety of colors and sizes for the entire program. Typical design and development process is about 2 years. From the Co-op offering, it took us about 6 to 7 months. I think these products are a good example that you can build sustainable products and still be successful by any other measure.
Moving into this coming fall, Fall 15, those products will all be relaunched with 100% BlueSign certified materials. We're also moving towards the responsible down standard, which we're really excited about.
The greatest thing is to have sustainability built into an affordable product. It's a fantastic piece of gear that will get you outside and is accessible to everyone. That says REI to me.
Learn more at rei.com/stewardship.
At the Adidas Group, we have a deep-rooted commitment towards our employees, the people that produce our products, the environment, and the communities in which we operate. We strive to integrate sustainability into our business, from product design through manufacturing to the places where our products are sold. So, how do we do this? Follow us on a journey through the 4 pillars of our sustainability program. Product. We are constantly looking for better ways to create product, mainly through innovative processes, increased efficiencies, and greater use of environmentally preferred materials. For example, in 2012 we launched the Adidas Dry Dye collection, making us first in the market to dye clothing without the use of water. We've also committed to using 100% sustainable cotton in all of our products by 2018, which means efficient irrigation, fewer pesticides, and fair working conditions. Let's move on to people. We positively influence the lives of our employees, factory workers, as well as people living in the communities where we operate. Our Suppliers Code of Conduct was introduced back in 1998, and we continue to drive change for the people that make our products. Did you know that in 2012 we introduced an SMS program, allowing factory workers to anonymously share their concerns? And for our own employees, we have developed a number of programs to promote diversity, work-life integration, and continued learning. We also support employee volunteering opportunities and community programs around the world. So what about planet? Here, the focus is on reducing the environmental footprint of both our own operations and at the factories making our products. At the Adidas Group properties, our Green Company initiative saves water, paper, and energy. Similarly, we monitor the environmental performance of our factories via audits and train our suppliers on best practices. With partnerships, we are not in this alone. Did you know that we collaborate with others to improve our industry? We have been honored for our work over the last 2 decades for our innovative and proactive approach towards sustainability. However, we do recognize that the task ahead of us is a marathon, not a sprint, and we will continue to be committed to this journey.